Hi, this is Stephanie Merchant, founder of thenutritionmom.com, and we are going to talk about the best foods to make smoothies at home. I love smoothies, and I always add greens to the smoothies because there are so many health benefits of adding greens, but there are other great ingredients that you can add too. For our liquid, you can choose a nut milk, a coconut water, or simply filtered water. For your leafy greens, the most popular ones are spinach and kale and collards and chard. And then berries are excellent. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, you can choose. I always add a banana, usually a frozen banana. And then for your protein and healthy fats, you can add nuts, seeds, nut butters, avocado, chia, or even flax seeds.